Hello. Welcome. This tutorial will guide you with every step of setting up your SMB Reviewer application. We'll go at your pace. It's not a continuous video where you'll get lost, so feel at ease and enjoy the ride. Click Get Started to begin. Hello and welcome to SMB Reviewer. My name is Frederick the Third, and I'll be guiding you step by step with using our free tool, which helps you make the most of your reviews, to influence your audience to do business with you. The first step is to log into your account as shown. After you log in, you will land on your campaigns page. If you just created your account, there will be no campaigns listed. In this tutorial, we'll be going over each of the various menu options and their functions. To start, we have the Campaigns tab, where you'll find all of your campaigns, or in other words sets of reviews. In Custom Reviews, you will find all of the reviews that you created yourself. In Settings, you will be able to connect your Facebook, Yelp, and Google APIs. If you have a paid account, you will only need to connect your Facebook profile, as you will use our APIs instead. The next option you'll see is your Profile tab, which allows you to control your plan, your email and password, as well as a few more pieces of information. You can always visit the Tutorial tab for guidance with this application. You can click on Feature Requests to request new additions, bug fixes, or to submit your feedback. To continue with an overview of your profile, click on Review the Profile.